set the digital pace, but a busted photograph, giving it a new face. No time for guesswork, I'm going in deep. The history's locked, and the secrets I keep. Using dodge and I'm using the burn too, yeah. Bringing back detail, making everything clear. Sharpen the edges, every single trace, making sure the subject knows its rightful place. I'm building it up, layer by layer. I'm fixing the truth, I'm the digital player. Precise with the comb, clean with the pen line trace. The art of layering in is leaving no empty space. Now the composition needs a little bit of flow. Got the shadow work happening, watching my beauty grow. Hiding the edges with the feathers off mask. Taking out the clutter, that's the hardest task. Add a little bird for that dreamy atmosphere. Then liquify the form, pull it in and steer. Global adjustments, then a local fine tune. Catching every highlight underneath the moon. I'm building it up, layer by layer. I'm fixing the truth, I'm the digital player. Precise with the comb, clean with the pen line trace. The art of layering is leaving no empty space. Flipping through the styles like a fat 14. That 1950s magazine, cover sharp and clean. Making it vibrant, making the mood. Hold the stories assemble, better than I was told. Got the color grading, perfect in the blend. This digital journey, never has to end. The job is done now, every pixel is bright. The portfolio is finished, shine the firelight. Layer by layer, by layer. Triple it up from the pixel base. Nail the lighting, time and space. From restoration to the 50 sheen. This is the portfolio, the sharpest of mine I've seen. I don't just let it out, elevate the craft. Every single limit telling on the final rap. So take a look and see the skill refined. The art of layering, all that combined. Oh,